Today I have something very special to share with you. You know those days when it feels like everything is finally falling into place, but deep down there's still that restlessness? Well, your guardian angel has a message for you. Lately, you've taken a break from the battles, focused more on yourself, and found a certain peace, haven't you? But I know, and your angel also knows, that there's still a bit of stress lingering around. Today, you're going to discover how to turn that temporary peace into something lasting. Stay with me until the end and watch this message from your angel change your life. Recently, you've gone through a profound and transformative change. It wasn't something fleeting or superficial, but a true inner revolution that made you leave behind the need to control everything and everyone around you. This change brought a clarity that once seemed distant. Now, instead of desperately chasing your goals, you're beginning to understand that what is truly yours will come to you naturally, without effort and without that constant pressure. This new stance you've adopted isn't just powerful, it's liberating. You realize that by tirelessly pursuing your desires, you are wearing yourself out. Anxiety, stress, and frustration were your constant companions on this endless journey. It didn't matter whether it was for professional success, financial stability, or even love, the result was always the same: exhaustion and the feeling of always falling short of what you expected. But all that is in the past now. You've decided to take a step back, take a deep breath, and break free from that vicious cycle of chasing. You're choosing to live in a lighter, more relaxed way, where what really matters is what you attract, not what you pursue. And this choice is leading you to be more selective. Dishonest people who were once part of your life no longer have a place. You're letting go of what doesn't add to your life, surrounding yourself with people and situations that are truly aligned with the new energy you're radiating. You're standing more firmly in who you are. You're accepting what life offers with an open heart, but also with the certainty that you deserve only what is true and positive. This change is guiding you down a path where every decision you make, every choice you choose, is driven by this new awareness. And this awareness is changing your life from the inside out, attracting everything that truly makes sense to you. Now, you're in attraction mode. You no longer need to fight, struggle, or wear yourself out. The life you've always dreamed of, honest, prosperous, abundant, is manifesting before your eyes. And this is not by chance. It's a direct reflection of this internal transformation you've undergone. A beautiful and true life is unfolding around you, all because you chose to trust the process, let go of control, and embrace what the universe has to offer you. Sometimes, life surprises us in ways we never imagined, bringing people and experiences that change everything around us. And without you even realizing it, something wonderful is about to happen to you. Believe me, it's something that will touch your heart in a way you never thought possible. Soon, a special person will start coming closer to you, and the feelings they bring will be something that warms your soul. It's not that kind of fleeting interest or an obsession that causes discomfort. Not at all. This person's energy is gentle, calm, and filled with sincere intentions. They will make you feel valued, admired, and deeply respected. It's that good feeling of knowing that someone truly likes you, without forcing anything, without exaggeration. And the most amazing thing is that this connection will grow naturally. There won't be any rush, no anxiety. The two of you will build something beautiful, based on genuine reciprocity. This person will genuinely care about you, want to know how you are, what you think, what you feel. And this concern will be so sincere that you will feel heard, seen, and understood like never before. This presence in your life will bring an indescribable peace. It's that tranquility that slowly fills your heart with authentic happiness. It's not just the joy of being with someone, but the certainty that this person makes you feel good, inspires you to be better, to go beyond. They will motivate you to grow, to believe more in yourself, and to see life through new eyes. Because when you feel truly loved, everything around you seems to shine brighter. And it's not just about feeling good, but about feeling complete, fulfilled. It's the happiness that comes from within, that makes you believe you deserve all the good that's happening. This person will enter your life in such a sincere and lasting way that you'll wonder how you lived so long without this feeling of wholeness. It's a gift the universe is preparing for you, something that will transform your life in a special and unique way. It's incredible to realize how life can transform when you decide to invest in yourself, without resorting to shortcuts or forced attempts at control. It's as if suddenly, the weight of carrying the world on your shoulders disappears, giving way to a lightness that only those who truly know and love themselves can experience. It's not easy, of course. It takes time and requires an extra dose of patience, but the results are undeniably rewarding. The most fascinating part is that when you stop trying to force things, you begin to naturally attract what is truly good for you. When you free yourself from the pressure to be someone you're not, or to mold yourself to please others, something incredible happens. People start to notice your true essence. And this authenticity that comes from self-knowledge and acceptance, is what enchants the most. That person who once seemed distant or unattainable, starts to see you in a different way, almost as if a curtain has been lifted, revealing something they hadn't noticed before. This doesn't happen because you did something extraordinary or followed a magic formula. The truth is much simpler. You just chose to be yourself, embracing your qualities and also your imperfections. And it was this honesty with yourself that reflected outward, creating a genuine connection, without the need for manipulation or games. And there's nothing more beautiful than that, right? Because deep down, what we all seek is to be accepted for who we truly are, without masks, without tricks. When you reach this level of inner peace, of self-love, it's almost as if you become a magnet for the good things in life. Not because you're trying to attract them, but simply because you've become the kind of person who deserves these things. This transformation, this new way of being, is what makes people genuinely drawn to you. They feel your energy, your confidence, and it's irresistible. They start to realize that you're not just someone they want to be with, but someone they truly need in their lives. And all this happened because, instead of focusing on trying to control others, you chose to take care of yourself, of your own needs and your own happiness. When you start to vibrate at this pure and genuine energy of peace, something truly transformative begins to happen. The person around you, the one with whom you share this vibration, starts to feel something different, something they may never have experienced before. It's as if a new awareness settles within them, a deep feeling that makes them intensely want to be by your side. It's not just a momentary desire, it's a need that grows, a sincere wish to connect with you, to make the relationship between you flourish and strengthen. They feel they need to be close, that it's essential for them to be in your company, and this motivates them to get closer, to want to participate more in your life, and to build something that has real meaning for both of you. At the same time, you also begin to feel the changes within yourself. This exchange of energy that occurs between you makes you feel stronger, more secure in who you are and what you desire. Your self-esteem begins to rise, and you realize you're in a different place, higher, more fulfilled. The happiness that arises within you is palpable, a happiness that transcends the ordinary and makes you feel as if you found a new way to live, a life more fulfilled, more aligned with who you truly are. It's as if you're connecting with something divine, an energy so powerful that it starts to transform everything around you. This positive and elevated energy you emit doesn't go unnoticed. On the contrary, it begins to attract that person's attention more intensely. They feel this change, this elevation of spirit, and it makes them want to get even closer to you, in ways they might not have felt comfortable with before or hadn't considered. You notice that they start to communicate more, to show a genuine interest in being around, in exchanging messages, in meeting up. It's as if your inner transformation is awakening in them a new desire to relate to you in a more present, more intentional way, with more desire to really be together, to build something that makes sense, that is true and valuable for both of you. When this person enters your life, you may feel something inexplicable, as if you are magnetized by an invisible force, an energy that seems to irresistibly draw you in. The main point here is that you will know this is the right person because you will also feel something very intense towards them. You might wonder how to identify this special person, and the answer is simple. You will also feel deeply attracted to them, right? It's a connection so strong that you'll realize you're in the presence of something unique and extraordinary. This attraction will be mutual and unmistakable, and both of you will feel something you've never experienced before. And the most beautiful part is that this person will also feel an internal change, something that will completely transform their energy and their way of seeing the world. They will realize that something has changed deeply within them, and this change will motivate them to want to be closer to you, to want to build something significant by your side. They will want to get to know you better, plan dates, explore new places together, and spend quality time with you. This energy that arises between you is so powerful and special that it will inspire thoughts, reflections, and a sincere desire to be increasingly present in each other's lives. It's a connection that transcends the ordinary, something that meets your deepest and truest feelings. This person will want to make things work with you, and the simple fact that you live your life in an authentic and genuine way will be what drives them forward. They will want to say important things, express their feelings, and start thinking about you in a way they've never thought about anyone before. This connection is so beautiful and true that you will realize that this is the right person to share your journey with, someone who will want to be by your side in all moments, building a future together. The feeling will be so strong and overwhelming that you'll realize this person is determined to make things work, to move forward with you, to live a full and meaningful life by your side. They will want to share moments, dreams, and experiences, and every new step you take together will only strengthen this special bond even more. Everything will seem to fit perfectly, as if the universe has conspired to bring you together in a magical and undeniable way. This person will make you feel that true love is real, and that every effort is worth it to keep it alive and thriving. When you find yourself in a situation where someone you've talked to and had some kind of connection with suddenly seems to have cooled off or distanced themselves, it's natural to feel a whirlwind of emotions. Insecurity strikes, the fear of having done something wrong, or even the frustration of seeing someone drift away for no apparent reason. You might have gotten attached to this person, developed feelings, but didn't see that reciprocated. So what should you do? The answer is not to chase after them, desperately seeking their attention, but rather to change the way you present yourself to the world, how you view this situation. When you change your energy, something different starts to happen. It's as if suddenly, that person feels the need to reconnect with you. They realize, almost unconsciously, that they can't just let this situation go. A nearly compulsive desire to be present begins to emerge in them. This becomes even more evident if this person is physically close to you. The signs start to show. They look at you for longer, with a sparkle in their eyes that wasn't there before. Their smiles become warmer, and even the most trivial conversations become more frequent. They might suddenly show up in places where you are, as if it were a coincidence. But you know it's not. They want to make sure you see them, that you know they're still there, in some way present. If physical proximity isn't an option, social media comes into play. You notice this person starts liking your posts, interacting more online. Sometimes they even create a new account just to follow you, to keep track of what's happening in your life. And why does this happen? Fear. Fear of losing you, of seeing you move on with someone else, build a life that doesn't include them. This thought is unbearable to them. They start to envision a future where you're with someone else, and it torments them. The idea that someone else could take the place they want in your life is something they can't accept. This is what drives them to act, to get closer, to try in every possible way to bring you back to them. They feel they need to take action, that they can't just let you go. This attraction they feel for you goes beyond something superficial. It's not just about appearance or the conversations you have. There's a deeper connection that forms when they see you, whether in the real world or in any online interaction. There's something about you that awakens an intense feeling in them, something that manifests in a special way, especially when you wear a piece of clothing that catches their attention. It could be anything, a t-shirt, a hoodie, a dress. It doesn't matter what it is, there's always some detail in what you wear that makes them see you in a unique way. Maybe it's a symbol, a phrase, or even a specific color that resonates with them in a special way. This detail in your appearance ignites a warm feeling in them, an impression that you're someone truly special, almost as if you were the prize they've always dreamed of finding, even without knowing they were searching. But it's much more than just that. It's not about seeing you as a trophy to show off to the world. Their feeling goes far beyond that. When they're with you, they feel like life takes on new meaning, as if you're the missing piece to complete the puzzle of their happiness. This feeling of completeness and joy makes them want to be by your side, to take care of you, to value you deeply. It's as if they found something extraordinary in you, a connection that makes their heart beat faster, and they're sure there's something magical between you. Your presence brings a powerful energy that attracts them and makes them want to always be close, constantly seeking more of this connection you share. This bond you share is full of romance, affection, and a tenderness that is simply beautiful. It's possible that they want to express these feelings in a gentle way, perhaps by giving you flowers. Flowers have a deep meaning. They represent the blossoming of something new and beautiful. Even if you're a man, receiving flowers from them would be a gesture of care and appreciation, something that goes beyond social conventions and shows that your relationship is growing stronger and becoming even more special. Maybe they have a particular interest in flowers, or perhaps the flowers symbolize how your relationship is blooming. They might be somewhat off your radar right now, but as this connection develops, you'll notice how everything fits perfectly. It's like the pieces of the puzzle finally find their place, and you find yourself surprised by how naturally everything happened. In the end, this person will approach you bringing a sense of peace and comfort. And the best part, you won't have to chase after it. This special connection will establish itself naturally and organically, bringing a deep sense of satisfaction and joy for both of you. They truly feel something very strong for you, and the energy between you is intensifying with every moment. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me, to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.